I'm going to give you access to an exclusive sale that includes a ton of items from Milwaukee, Knipex, GearWrench, and even Ego that you guys picked out. This is the viewer's choice sale. You guys told me what you wanted on sale, and you know what? Some of this stuff is cheaper than you've ever seen it before because I've got ways to get you double dip discounts. This pack out, yeah, that's going to be on double dip discounts. So is this. So are these! Many of these items also include freebies, so you not only get a double dip discount, but you might get a free battery or free tool. So if you're hunting for any discounts on these brands, check this out. So this says save 10%, but honestly it gets way better than that. It's an exclusive sale. The only way to get access is to use the link in the description. It will automatically take you to this page where it will apply the 10% off your order in the cart. So the prices you see on screen with me right now, take an extra 10% off once it hits the cart. Let me show you how you can actually save way more than 10%. All right, let's go through this list. There's 48 items total. I will not go in deep detail because I'm assuming you guys already know a lot about these items because you're the ones that picked it. Let's start off. All right, so that's a 10%er. You'd save 30 bucks off the big bad boy 12.0, the big dog hog forge, all right? And then the new stubby. Everybody wants that new stubby. So here it is. I've got you 10% off of that $199. Let's call it 20 bucks off. You'd be at like $179-ish. All right, 10% off of this, the cutoff tool. A lot of people requested that. And then if you need the half-inch stubby, okay, I did the 3/8 and the half. So if you've got a bigger drive and bigger sockets and bigger nuts, get on that half-inch. A lot of requests for the grinder. Now, okay, here's the double savings opportunity. So this is something that dropped in price, and they'll let you get the extra 10% off of this. So you're like looking almost 40% off total. So that's going to be an extra $9 off. So that's the cheapest I've ever seen it. Will be about 80 bucks total on that. We've got the smaller impact set. So this was my idea. I thought maybe if you're going to run that new stubby up here, you'd want an impact set, and they get expensive if you get the big kits. This one, well, that'll get you through most of what you need. Okay, this GearWrench kit right here, this is a killer double dip savings. It's a $150 kit normally. It's down to $99.99. Save 33% plus my extra 10% if you use the link. That kit right there has saved me so many times. It's a master hex, Torx, wobbly, security, all that type of stuff thing. So if you ever run into one of those weird bits in life, grab this kit. One of my favorite lights of all time, this Milwaukee M12 under hood light, but I actually pull it off of this adapter quite a bit and just throw it under the car when I'm working under the car, suspension or brakes or exhaust like that. That's an amazing light to have. Knipex, a brand that rarely ever goes on sale. Hey, I've got a way for you to save 10% on all the Knipex items that I show you here today. I love their plier wrenches, and I wish I had a full set like that. The Raptors, these are for oddball fasteners that have rounded off or maybe in weird spots to get. These are a way of taking those off for you. The 3-pack of TwinGrips. Oh yeah! TwinGrips are my favorite ones, and they were originally just this 8-inch size, and now they come out with 6 and 10, so that's why I put that on there. Okay, here's a wild card. I recently started testing Ego products. I tested out the leaf blower. You can check my other video on that. Thing was crazy. It blows rocks, like big rocks, if you need it to. It can blow them. And it's battery powered. So is this thing from Ego, this mini bike. Oh, I've watched some videos on that. That looks too fun not to include on this list. It's got a $50 discount plus the 10% off. You do the math. That's not that bad. And it's big enough for an adult. This is bigger than what a kid's toy would be. That's for sure. Check the videos on that thing. And then I wanted to throw in another Ego product. I've got, I think, one more later on. This is their power station. This is basically a battery-powered generator. So if you don't have the option of running gas, or you don't want the option of running a gas, this is your next option. Battery-powered power station. It's a generator, but they call it a power station. The first Knipex tool I ever got right here, these extra slims. They have a slightly different like beak and jaw design. These are some of my favorites. If you don't have them and you like the Cobra line or Knipex at all, these are worth it. Another great double dip savings. Okay, what do we got here? We've got this GearWrench 1/2-inch drive, 120 XP, that's their new one, torque wrench. She's good for 250 foot-pounders. Its adjustment method is real slick. It's not the normal, like, twist it and lock it thing. It's got this little collar here that you pull down, then you twist, you let go of the collar, and it locks itself. Couple more Knipex, depending on what your price range is or what you're looking for. Here's the variety pack. If you don't have any, I would suggest you get a few of them, and these are 3 really good ones. If you want to go big, I put in this huge gear wrench kit because I thought, you know what, if somebody's just starting off, or if you know somebody that's thinking about being a mechanic or works on stuff, restores stuff all the time, but they don't have many tools, this right here is the full mechanics master set. 686 pieces, 10% off of that. I think that's pretty much every hand tool you would need to rip a car apart and put it back together. Another gear wrench double dip savings, so 18% off plus another 10% off, so that's going to get another $16 off of that metric, standard and deep. A lot of people like gear wrench ratchets. I do too. I actually don't have this new style. I've got their old styles. I like it, but you know what? Let's put the new style on there, so save 17% plus the 10%. Another gear wrench double dip. So we saw the gear wrench half inch. Now here's the 3/8 inch metric standard and deep socket set. It's at 8% off already, plus you get my extra 10%. Here's a smaller, more travel-friendly gear wrench mechanic tool set, 219 pieces, not nearly as extensive as that 600 plus piece above, but it's also not nearly as pricey. So you'd save an extra 10% off of that, $272. Great hand tool set here. You've got the SAE and metric standard length ratcheting and stubby ratcheting. And if you want just one Knipex TwinGrip, I'd probably go with the 10-inch. That's the big boy, so you're going to get the most leverage and the most use out of it.
But if you're always working in tight holes, get the small one.
Okay, the second page of deals. Here we go. We've got the gear wrench combo ratcheting wrench set, 7-piece double dip discount. So you're going to get another 10% on top of that 10% right there. I got a few pack out items on there. We've got the Milwaukee 3-drawer toolbox, and this comes with a free good. You spend $199 on Milwaukee stuff that qualifies, you will get a free item, and that's what you can choose from right there. Look,
if you read the fine print, it says kind of like the more you spend, the more cool stuff you're going to get. If you spend enough, you can get a free M18 tool.
Next up, we've got a stubby impact kit. This one comes with the 5.0. That's the one that you really want to be running this stubby off of so you can get the full power. That $279 with 10% off of it looks real sweet once you figure out that that's a $200 tool and that's a $120 battery. So that's $320 right there without the charger and bag. They've got it at $279. Take another $27 off of that with my discount. And while we're talking about high output batteries, the 2.5, the smaller style, is actually a great tool to have if you're using a smaller tool because you don't want the weight or the balance to be crazy by throwing a big bulky battery on there. These come in handy a lot more than people think. Another gear wrench torque wrench deal. This is the 3/8 drive, 120 XP, the new style, up to 100 foot-pounds of torque. These are already 25% off, showing at $169. Tack an extra 10% off of that. We saw the 2-pack earlier that included the 3/8 and the quarter. This is how you got to get the half-inch. I don't think they offer them in a 3-pack, so if you want the half-inch, this is how you got to buy it separately, so another 10% off of that. The big metric set rarely goes on sale. If you got big nuts, you need big sockets. And it's on sale with some double dip discounts. It's save 13% plus an extra 10% off of that, so you're getting another almost $20 off of that price. I have never seen it that low. Okay, back to an Ego product. I tested out one of their blowers with a battery, and that thing blew me away. So I figured, all right, well, I'll find a combo kit if somebody wants to get into the line. Well, you're going to need a blower and probably a trimmer and probably the battery and probably the charger. So at $299, take 10% off of that, you're at like $270 for all that. Go ahead and look up what just one of those batteries cost by itself, and you'll see how good of a deal this is. All right, we had the 3-drawer earlier. Here's the 2-drawer. Still qualifies for those free goods. If you spend enough, take 10% off of that. You're looking real good. The Insider. I had a lot of requests for this, so it made the list. $299, take 10% off of that. It's going to be about $270. The brand new M12 right angle die grinder. Yes, the new one. It comes with 2 high output batteries. This is a great deal, and it comes with some free goods. So the tool itself is like a $200 tool. This is a $70 battery, and this is a $120 battery. You start doing the math, and yes, this is a great deal, and then take another 10% off. Let's see what this free stuff is. So the free goods you get with that purchase, you get a promo 1/4-inch adapter. That's nice. And you also get a free 4.0 battery. You take 10% off of that. It's about $315. You get the tool, both high output batteries, the adapter, and another battery with the charger and bag. Okay, that is a killer deal, folks. Cruising down the line here. All right, these subcompacts just came out. You can combine them with 2 batteries, the bag and the charger, 10% off. A ton of requests for the M18 inflator, $179, but you also get that 10% off of there. I've got this thing and it blows the M12 inflator away, not even in the same league. My favorite wiring pliers of all time, hands down, no doubt about it. These Knipex, did I say that wrong? These Knipex forged wire strippers, 8 inches. They're thick too.
And we all know thicker strippers are better, right?
They are a must-have. If you're ever going to do wiring in your life, ever, get these. Here's a tool that rarely goes on sale, the Long Reach 3/8 High Speed. I love this one. I don't even use the smaller version anymore, the one that like cuts off about right there at the head. This thing can get into a lot more spots, and if you need some leverage, well, it's longer than the short one, so you can actually get a little leverage off of this. 10% off the $249 for you. High output battery, the battery everybody wants right now in the M12 line. You can score that 10% off. Here's one that's not even out yet. I can get you 10% off of the rolling pack out single drawer that everybody's been talking about for like 2 years on the internet. It's 10% off of that price. Nobody's got it on a discount right now, except for you right here with Torque and Twisted. For the people that don't need the high output batteries, the charger or the bag or the other free battery that would come with the kit that I talked about earlier, well, you can get the bare tool by itself with 10% off. Cobra water pump pliers, the 2-piece set, that right there, that price is a no-brainer as is. You take 10% off of it, I might buy 3 of them. If you need high output stuff for M18, here's a way to do the 2-pack right now at $299. Take 10% off of that. Where you at? Let's do the hot math. Well, that's like $270. I had a request to include some nailers. There weren't many available for me to pick from, but this is one of the biggest, baddest ones they've got. I rarely see this version on sale, so I think saving almost $40 off of that is a heck of a deal today. The big boy, the high torque, the alpha male, big mama, no drama.
Strong enough to bust your rusty nuts and throw them to the moon.
Double dip discount on one of my favorite socket sets of all time. These super high visibility numbers on there make this so easy to read when I'm underneath a car with barely any light. A 21% off of it right now, plus another 10%. So this is going to be sub $100. It's about the cheapest you'll ever see that kit right there. So what is it that caught your eye? Are you doing any double dip discounts? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, the only way to get access to this exclusive Acme Tools sale is to use that link in the description.